kind of windy today, but you can see I've got my gull wing windows out. And there's all three back windows here open, so it catches the breeze from three different directions. And there's my bed right there. So you can see those two windows are right there. I'm gonna get some conduit and make two different size supports. One long one like this and a short one, so when I'm sleeping at night I can open it just a little bit to get a breeze through. Tinting still looks good. Okay, this is HD's section up here. It's hard to see him. There he is. The sun's not quite right, plus this window is a little bit tinted. But he's got this great window right here. And he'll be able to lie down, sit up, and I'll have his harness tethered back in this area. You know, in case there's ever an accident. He couldn't go through the windshield anyway because the dash is so high, but still, I want him good and secure. Oh, you can see his nose. Well, this mess is the beginning of the pull-out composting toilet. Just getting started on it. I'm trying to figure out exactly how I'm going to build it. I'll show you more in a bit. Okay, made a little bit more progress. What we have here is the module that will roll out when I need it, and then push back in and lock in. Just doing the inside walls right now. This is where the bucket will be and the liquid container. And these two sides will hold the toilet paper, wipes, sawdust, or whatever I use. And then I'm going to put a little taller back on the back to give the seat cover something to rest on. So it's getting there. And I'll get it all clear coated and ready to go. So I'll show you a little further progress in a few minutes. Here's my pull-out composting toilet, which I've got to get the top on and get the wheels on. I've got a divider in there now, getting ready to build the top. A little more progress. This is pretty much complete except for there'll be a handle right here to get it out. Go out, not there, and use it. Then push it back in, out of the way. This side will be for sawdust or shavings. This side over here will be for toilet paper, wipes, spray bottle with vinegar. Have urine separator here, bucket there. And this is a soft close, but it was cheap, so. This will be hinged back here, come up, and there's room back in the back for like paper towels or something like that. So this will come back down. I don't have the hinges on it yet. I'll have a piano hinge there, one over here, and one over here. And when you're finished with it, slide it back in and close the door.